And here is our daily lesson log for teachers quarter 1, Music 8, lessons 4 to 8. Pero syempre, before we proceed to the DLL itself, let me share you my DIY or do-it-yourself customized record book for this school year. Dito I added front pages for the first quarter hanggang fourth quarter. I've also included here nutritional status from first measurement to the last measurement kasi alam niyo naman pag MAPE, lagi tayong hinihingian nito ng mga resulta. Naglagay din ako ng class record nito na naka-portrait and naka-landscape format in case kung anong gusto ninyong gamitin. Naglagay din ako ng calendar from July 2024 to June 2025. Naglagay din ako ng student or advisory class profile para kapag kailangan natin ng mga info nila or data nila, mabilis na lang makikita. Meron ding liham para sa magulang. Parents attendance mula first quarter hanggang fourth quarter. Parents or guardians communication form ay naka-attach din dito. At ito na ang inyong DLL for quarter 1 Music 8 lessons 4 to 8.